So today we are going to camp in the Dharug National Park. It's approximately 58 kilometers from Sydney Central Business District. And there we are on the way. Maybe I can ask that woman why this place is called Wiseman's Ferry. Yeah, so we've often passed through this place, but we've never asked why it's called the Wiseman's Ferry. So if you'd asked me that, because that's a good price. Thank you. So who's the Solomon?
He was one of the first settlers that came here and owned land here. And he actually had the contract for the ferry as well.
Ah, okay.
So he was very clever because when he got the contract for the ferry, the governor at the time said you have to let the soldiers go past free. So he agreed to that, but then charged for the horses.
Ah, okay.
So he was very clever.
You like that?
This one? It was in those days, yeah.
Ah, okay, so when they use the rope across and then someone's putting there and then they put.
And if he was settled here too, if he had farm, I don't know if he would have had farming here.
I'm not
to
sure.
get supply and everything.
I would have all come up the river.
Right.
So the name of this river, what's the name of this river?
Well, you've got the Hawkesbury River.
Yeah, that's the Gosford.
Yeah, and then the other river that goes up to St. Albans is the Inglewood.
Ah, okay, so they kind of confluence here.
They do.
Yes, yeah. So you can actually go across this ferry here.
You want this?
Yeah.
Go up to St. Albans.
Yeah.
You want this?
To eat and drink.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Cross the bridge, come down the other side of the McDonald, across the Gosford ferry.
Okay.
And you can't get
Well, look at that.
So you're going to do it now.
Do you want?
So this one.
Do you want this?
So they fall.
Well, let's get a lesson from these next one.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Chicken. Hi, this.
This place is called Wiseman's Ferry because there was Solomon Wiseman, who was the first settler to move up to here and bought land here. He also had a contract to provide the ferry services across the river. But incidentally, what I've been told is that he used to allow soldiers to cross for free across the river, but he would charge only for horses, not the soldier. So, interesting history. So we can go. Dharug National Park is a protected national park that is located in the Central Coast region of New South Wales, in the eastern part of Australia. So after setting up our camp, we decided to go and meet the locals and get to know the surrounding.
Hello. How are you? Oh wow, you have a good spot here. Oh, fishing. Hello.
Hello.
Are you a good fisher?
Yeah, very good. yeah. So we've caught a fair bit today, but yeah, you just need a fishing license. Probably fire's the only thing. Careful of fires, but yeah, like I said, we've had a decent, bit. Yeah, so that was from here. Yeah, we've been here for 6. That's it. Like I said, we've been sitting here with a couple of people.
What do you need to be able to?
You just need to get a fishing license.
Okay.
So yeah, you go to New South Wales health. You can do it online, and you can get it on your phone with all your other licenses, and then you just pay a fee. You can do a day one, week one, 6 months or 3 years or whatever. Like there's a couple that you can do. And then you buy a license, and then you just look at the site, the bag and sizes, so you can figure out how many you need, and then just something to measure off. Yeah, you're pretty much set to go. No, the license is just a fee, just so when fisheries come around and check that you have a license. And if you don't have a license, you just get a fine. But other than that, that's the only reason for a license. Like, I fished for many years without a license just because, like, because you need to be 18. Well, once you're 18, you have to get a license. 16, sorry. 16, you have to get a license. But if you're under 16, you don't need a license. But then, yeah, after that, then you just get a license, yeah.
Yeah, so in terms of experience, you enjoyed this place? Or
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was good. It was, like I said, we've had plenty of fish. We've caught 13 today, and we've kept 6. 6 of them were legal to keep. Yeah, and then all the other ones weren't legal. They were too small, so we had to just take the hook out, put them back in, and then they're off. Yeah, but like you said, knife, pliers, and that's pretty much all you need.
So do you guys live around here? So you're coming in just for a day and you go out?
Yep.
Okay, that's
So
pretty much
we're an hour. We live an hour away from here.
Oh, I
That's pretty
see.
much what I want to do as well. So I was just trying to check. So
Yeah, no. Like I said, you can go. Like I said, you can't fish in the sanctuary zone. There's a couple of rules, but like this is in a sanctuary zone.
Okay.
So all along here, you'll usually see yellow buoys, and it'll have like a cross on it, which means that's a sanctuary zone. It's like a fish sanctuary, so you're not meant. If your line's caught there, you'll get fined.
Mainly looking at it.
Well, that's what we're doing. We started the day up where you were, because that was high tide. High tide, the water was.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
The water was. See where that step was?
Wow.
The water was there, and then as the tides come out, we've just kept
Oh,
moving
so
down.
now it's low tide.
Yeah, now it's low tide. It's dead low now, and then it won't be at highest, but it'll be high again at 10:50 tonight. You kind of go off the tide for what you want to fish and catch and stuff.
Yeah.
We set up here today,
Oh,
our first time.
Okay, so are you
hello.
confident, with security, safety, and so on and so forth with kids? We have
Oh,
kids
drink some
as well,
water.
so that's why we are asking. Any experience? Did you do it before, or in this specific area?
No, so this is our first time camping around here, and no, I'm not. There's nothing that I've seen today that's made me
Drink
worry.
some water.
Okay. Any instance that you've heard about?
No. But
The only problem is that we've found 3 different koalas.
Oh, wow, that's
koalas.
good.
Thank you guys.
Oh, she's coming. She's about to show the boys and girls.
Okay.
What? Coloring is black.
This is where the kangaroo.
Coloring is black,
No, you're
mommy.
confusing this place with another place. There's another place like this that where we went. We saw kangaroos.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So this is to demonstrate what I will actually do when I come to camp here. But of course, this is a large group camping ground. So if you are more than 5, or if you are a big group, this is all the camping ground available to you. There is a sitting area is a dry stand. There is
Right,
area
grill.
also that you can use for.
I think grilling.
So all you just need to do is to
Ask
come
the
here.
council to switch on.
Yes. So it's to come and use these facilities. It's already equipped with
Build,
gas,
build in.
built in, well built for all this. Yeah, so beautiful. There is ablution facilities here. You can come here for picnic if you prefer. This would be just beautiful with children because kids can learn the sound of birds. They can enjoy the scenery just going up. Obviously, things to be careful about, which I had forgotten to talk about, is snakes, the brown snakes. They've warned us about them. They're there. But certainly you will find them if you go up the river. There are also crossing points here. Let me show you some of the walks. You can walk past the street to the garden. Slowly, take slowly. It's one of the walks around the 11-kilometer walking track, which they call the circuit. In other words, it goes round and comes back to the same spot. So it's 11-kilometer, quite a walk, but it can be done within a day. As you can see, it's summer, the stream has water, but what an amazing number of eucalyptus trees and lots of birds. A special and unique shrubs. You can see the ferns, you can see the fungi.
That's good. How are you guys? Good.
Yeah, I like the. You can repeat that again.
You always come here? No. Okay.
Okay. Right.